that. So, kapal, right? Ingat sa ako tumayo ko, baka warning. Ay, hindi ako tumayo, gago. Ba't ako tatayo? Ayoko din tumayo. Pangit yung short ko. Pangit yung short. Yeah, I don't like my short. Hindi ako naka-cycling eh. Hindi ma-define yung legs ko doon. Hi, Frank! Shall we? Guys, help me na, guys. How long are you? How long am I? 3 years ago, is my first... Hindi, paano ba i-English yun? I'm a host 3 years ago, but I stopped and then kababalik ko lang. Englishin mo nga yung like, I'm back now. 1 month. Do you understand me, Amanda? Can you understand me? My brain cells is, low, low, low. Please bear with me. Thank you. Kamsahamnida. Ano kasi yun? No, you don't understand me, guys. Actual active 1 month right now, March. I'm almost 3 years ago, tapos kababalik ko lang. How to English that? Easy. Fighting, yeah, fighting. Tom Sawyer. Total. Yon, recently. Naisip ko na yon. Line, naunahan mo lang. Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm so dumb, young, dumb, and broke. Charot. Easy. So you're still thinking of me. Do you understand me, Amandaman, and Santa? I hope you understand me because I am trying my best. Trying my best. Oh, you get it? Oh, that's my man. That's my man. Alright, rock and roll to the world, diba? Ayan, gusto ko sa'yo. I like it. Bawal sa me. Okay, Lan. Bye, Lan. Wala na. It's just us. No more talking. Charot. Guys, talk to me. I still have 1 hour here. I want to rest now. Guys, please help. Answer. Sawidu. Sawadika. Cute, Shawi. How about you, Amanda man? How long are you? Yeah, I only need 1K to quota. So I can rest for 1 day because when April comes, I need to go live again, and then I will be gone for 1 week because I have a duty. Tangina, Tagalog ka pala, aman eh. Tangina naman talaga eh. Diba? Papakahirap ako mag-English. Ay. Tangina, tinanong ko si Pito Boss eh. Uy, si Z. So bait naman ni Z. Thank you, Zizi. Yan guys, oh. Ano na lang? 990. Anong joke mo sa airport, Aman? Tangina, nagpababol. Marel, gago, di ka ba natuto kanina? Talo ako dyan. Kaso na, iya ako. Tangina, nahihiya. Tangina, Z, di ka ba natuto? Sana sinanong mo na lang. Oh my gosh, ang alat ko. Sorry, Z. Pangalawa ka na. Kaso naiya ako eh. Benta ka, boss ah. Benta ka, boss Aman. Saan mo galing yon? Z, sorry Z. Ikaw kasi Z. Pwede ka naman mamili dito. Itong KKK, 500 lang yun eh. Oh, sayang. So, sayang Z. Ako yung nagginayang. 399 pa naman yun, no? Balik ka sa susunod, Aman. Mag-iisip ako ng joke para sa'yo. Okay? Para it's a tie. Santa, tell me if you're really... Galit kasi. Tag-inang laki nun, wanted. Shari! Hi, TJ! Welcome back, TJ. Leech! Santa, tell me if you're really there. Hey, buddy. You saw my bits in my IG? Oh my gosh. I'm so shy. Follow niyo ako. Oy, alam niyo, dami ko pa doon pinagtutunggal ko lang. Na ano na ata si Z? Not yet. I still need one. Na-trauma na si Z. May Tagalog is limited. Oh! Where? So, your Tagalog is, it depends on your mood? Like that? Oh! Gogi, thank you! Ay, bakit Z? Ah, ang sarap naman yan. Google, you Google Translate? Dapat pala Google Translate ko na lang yung sinabi mo. Ay, kinikis niya ako guys, oh. Wala na. Happy ko ta. Oy, wala pa, Aman. Mika, magpa-kiss me ka din para kumota na ako. Ala, feeling close. Sorry po kadadaan mo lang sa live mo. Thank you, TJ! O, 500. 500 na lang. Diba? Kasi kanina ko ito na song. Si Z kasi, sinayan niya yung 300. Okay, Aman. I'll add you later after my call. I still need 1 hour. Yeah. Na ano na ata si Z? Inatake na siya. Sipin mo, 399, di ba? Z, ba't mo ginawa yun? Tell